Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today we're talking about the legendary commuter bike, the Hero Splendor Plus, a name that stands for reliability, affordability, and everyday performance. Engine and performance. The Hero Splendor Plus comes with a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth and consistent performance, making it ideal for daily city rides. The engine is tuned for efficiency rather than speed, offering a comfortable and stress-free riding experience. Mileage and efficiency. One of the biggest strengths of the Splendor Plus is its excellent fuel efficiency. It offers an impressive mileage of around 65 to 70 km/L, making it a perfect choice for riders who want to save money on fuel in the long run. Design and comfort. The bike features a simple yet practical design that appeals to a wide range of riders. It comes with a comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and lightweight body, ensuring ease of handling even in heavy traffic. Features. Hero Splendor Plus includes basic but useful features such as an analog instrument cluster, alloy wheels, tubeless tires, and a reliable braking system. It focuses on functionality rather than flashy tech. Price and value. The Hero Splendor Plus is one of the most affordable bikes in its segment. With low maintenance costs and strong resale value, it offers excellent value for money. Conclusion. If you're looking for a dependable, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly bike, the Hero Splendor Plus is a solid choice. It's built for daily commuting and continues to be one of the most trusted motorcycles on the road.